Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost rider bike with cardboard. First, gather your supplies. You will need several large cardboard boxes, a hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks, and a sharp craft knife. Don't forget a ruler, a pencil, and some black, orange, and yellow paint. For that iconic glow, consider small battery-operated LED lights. Having everything ready makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build the bike's main structure. Begin by drawing and cutting two identical motorcycle side profiles from your largest cardboard pieces. These will be the left and right sides of your bike. Next, cut several cardboard strips, approximately 3 inches wide and varying lengths. Use these strips to connect the two side profiles, forming the bike's three-dimensional shape. A hot glue gun works best for strong, quick bonds, ensuring your frame is robust. With the frame assembled, it's time for the iconic Ghost Rider details. Cut out various flame shapes from smaller cardboard pieces. Think about where flames would naturally appear, around the wheels, the exhaust pipes, and perhaps even trailing from the seat. Paint the main bike body a deep, glossy black. Then, paint your flame cutouts with bright orange and yellow, blending the colors for a realistic fire look. Once dry, carefully glue these fiery elements onto your bike. For the final touches, let's bring the bike to life. If you have small LED lights, strategically place them behind or within the flame sections to create an eerie, glowing effect. You might need to cut small slits for the wires. Double-check all your glued seams and reinforce any areas that feel wobbly with additional cardboard strips and hot glue. Your incredible cardboard Ghost Rider bike is now complete, ready to be admired or used as a fantastic prop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.